Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.